What if I told you your face doesn't need to change? Your habits do. Not fillers, not surgery, not filters. Just 30 days of doing the right things consistently. Sounds too simple? That's exactly why most people ignore it. But what if the real glow-up was already in your control this whole time? Let's get one thing straight. Facial harmony isn't about becoming someone else. It's about unlocking what's already there. Think about it. Why chase a different face when you haven't even maximized your own? Now, here's the part no one talks about. Your posture is literally shaping your face. Ever noticed how your jaw disappears when your neck leans forward? But the moment you straighten up, everything changes. Your face looks sharper, cleaner, more confident. Try this. Shoulders back, chin slightly tucked. Feels different, right? That's your real structure showing. And then there's something people either overhype or completely misunderstand. Mewing. It's not just randomly pressing your tongue. It's control. Your entire tongue rests on the roof of your mouth, lips closed, breathing through your nose. Sounds small, but over time, it reshapes how your face holds itself. Let me ask you, does your face look different in the morning versus evening? That's not your imagination. Puffiness hides your natural features. Salt, poor sleep, stress, everything shows up on your face. Try icing your face, gentle upward massage, reducing late-night junk food. Suddenly, your bone structure appears again. Here's a subtle one. Symmetry. No one is perfectly symmetrical, but your habits can make it worse or better. Chewing on one side, resting your face on your hand, even the way you smile, it all adds up. Fix the small imbalances, and your face starts to feel more put together. Now, think about this. Your face isn't just skin, it's muscle. And like any muscle, it can be trained. Jaw, cheeks, neck, they all respond to movement. Light exercises, controlled tension, even chewing gum. Over time, definition improves. It's not instant, but it's real. But none of this works if your sleep is a mess. You can do everything right during the day and ruin it at night. Sleep is when your face recovers, skin repairs, inflammation goes down. Ever noticed how one good night changes everything? Exactly. And finally, what you put inside your body shows outside. No cream can fix a bad diet. Protein supports structure. Water keeps your skin alive. Omega-3 reduces inflammation. It's not glamorous, but it's the foundation of everything. So here's the challenge. 30 days. No shortcuts, no excuses, just consistency. Small actions every single day. And then look at your face again. Not filtered, not edited, just real. You'll see the difference. Because at the end of the day, this isn't about impressing anyone. It's about showing up for yourself and finally seeing what you're capable of. If you're ready to level up, hit subscribe and stay with me.